At this time of the year, it's worth checking round on your older and newer plantings to see if there's any regrowth coming from the base of the plant. This is an Acer Faberi, which is an evergreen. We pruned off some lower branches a year or two ago to get the crown to go away, and because we want this as a mature specimen tree. The plant has responded by putting out water shoots from around ground level, and actually we don't want those water shoots there. We want the energy going up into the main trunk and the main tree. This isn't actually a grafted plant, but very often you see these sorts of water shoots appearing from below the graft, and they need removing. So what you're doing is ensuring that the energy of the plant goes where you want it, and it's not wasting energy on little side shoots like that. A job that can take just a few seconds and do a great deal of good. You tend not to notice these shoots coming from the base when the undergrowth has grown up in the summer, but now it stands out like a sore thumb. So keep a pair of secateurs in your pocket as you're wandering around the garden, and just do a little bit of good every minute or two when you find something like that.